Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BabyDogita token. Now the original DOGITA token was very popular. It was on the Binance Smart Chain. Then just yesterday a pre-sale started with DOGITA on Ethereum, cross-chain token, and that pre-sale is still live. I'm going to link that video at the end of this pre-sale. But then just today, a new pre-sale started for the BabyDogita token on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, I am going to leave a link to this pre-sale down there in the comment section. I'm going to pin it to the top of the comments, and I'm also going to put it in the description box so you guys can easily find this project, and then check out the other one as well, the DOGITA on Ethereum. That'll be linked at the end of this video. But we're going to go over the BabyDogita token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale's over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, the BabyDogita token, I don't know exactly how to pronounce it. It could be DOGITA or it could be DOGITA. Either way, I mean, it doesn't really matter. Same token, but this token here is actually trending right now in the top 12, and it's been trending a while. And right now it is number 9. It's been moving around a bit. They have lots of socials. Linked on PinkSale, they have a Reddit, Instagram, they have a GitHub, Facebook, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, and official webpage. It says, welcome to BabyDogita, the most desired girlfriend now has a baby. An official BabyDogita. Best community in the crypto world has arrived. All the poor dogs will be jealous. Low fees. Coin market cap. CoinGecko fast track. Top 10 central exchange listings. No unlocked tokens. Certic NFTs. Minting. Cross-chain. ETH. Ads. Yahoo Finance. BSC Scan. DexView. PooCoin. Coinzilla. Cointelegraph. Be a part of the beginning of a new era of meme coins. So that's what it says there on pinksale.finance. Basically, this token just got put into the launchpad list on PinkSale and then started their pre-sale almost right away. They've had 56 contributors invest in this pre-sale so far. It is a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. 18 decimal places on this token. Full name of the token is BabyDogita Coin, and then ticker symbol is BabyDogita, all one word. Now, total supply, 100 billion tokens. It says that this pre-sale started exactly May 14th, 12 hours UTC time, and it goes all the way until May 21st, 11 hours UTC time, so it's a pretty long pre-sale. And soft cap is 10 BNB, and there is no hard cap. So basically, it's going to just continue until time runs out. And if you end up missing this pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell. Make sure you also check the link down there to the pre-sale to see if it actually is over. But shortly after the pre-sale is over, if you're looking to get this token, it will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the DApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the BabyDogita token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, dogita.io. They do have a button that it takes you to PinkSale right now. If you click on the Buy Now button on their webpage, but eventually I'm sure that will take you to PancakeSwap. Now, they have a token metrics allocation pie chart here. It says 30% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 14.53% of the tokens go to liquidity, 35.465% of the tokens go to NFTs, staking, and minting. And then we got 15% going to central exchanges and 5% to marketing. Now, they do have a quick audit in the discussion section on Pink Sale. So at the top, it doesn't say audit, but if you scroll all the way down on the Pink Sale page, it'll say block Seifu audit, free and quick light audit. And then it has no warnings on it whatsoever, all good check marks. It says owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot set max transaction amount. Owner cannot set blacklists. Owner cannot set fees over 25%. Proxy contract and token is not found, and owner cannot pause trading. So all good check marks there. Now you can follow their Telegram at BabyDogita OFC. And it says, missed Dogita, don't miss Baby Dogita. She is starting new waves on the market, giving 3% Doja dividends. So basically, you're going to get reflections in the original DOGITA token. So that's pretty cool there. If you're a DOGITA fan, this is a reflection token of DOGITA. So both of them are on the Binance Smart Chain, so that works out great. And yeah, they have 2,351 Telegram members. 513 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project, learn more, talk to community members. And then as usual, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there. At BabyDogita OFC on Twitter, 1,101 followers, 6 tweets so far. And yeah, they just give updates about how their pre-sale is doing. So check that out. But like I said, if you just want to go right to the pre-sale page where all the links are and everything like that, I will leave links down below. So once upon a time in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies, there was a new meme coin called BabyDogita. This unique meme coin was created on Binance Smart Chain, featuring low taxes, but in addition to the technical aspects, BabyDogita will have reflections in the DOGITA token to its holders. Now, it does say there's some central exchange listings coming soon. BingX, LBank, Bitmart, XT.com, Gate, Bitcan. Some of these I've never even heard of. Bitcan. BitUnix. Never heard of that either. Poloniex, Bitgate, Ascendex, and then lastly, BITRUE and CoinEx Global. So I do have a BITRUE and CoinEx Global referral code down there, so check both of those exchanges out. It says that's where this token will be listed. Now, Baby DOGA comes up to follow the footsteps of his ancestor. She promises to deliver a roadmap that's going to be attractive, aggressive marketing giant. Her contract will pay reflections. And if we scroll down, there's a DEX screener, DEX tools, chart, BSC scan you'll be able to click on when the token goes live. There's going to be NFTs. They have a contact email at the bottom of their webpage. You can check that out. But yeah, go check out the links down below. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.